Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation. I would like to introduce my current work to you. In task 1, my idea is a children's bib decorated with flowers, which can be contracted by sound. There are 3 points from the feedback of task 1 that I need to consider. The first one is appearance. The pink color may be more suitable for girls, and boys may not like pink. The second one is safety. The deformation of the memory metalware need to be heated, which increases the risk of scalding the children. At the same time, heating the metalware requires a huge amount of electrical energy, which poses a challenge to the manufacturing process. The third one is sound discrimination. The intensity of the sound in different scenes also has a different meaning, so there are restrictions on the application of scenes. I think it is very simple to change the appearance. What is more important is whether the memory metalware can be used in my products. In my further investigation, I found that it is very difficult to apply memory wear to my product. First of all, the temperature of metal wear need to be reached 80 degrees before it can be deformed. This requires a large amount of electrical energy, and the ordinary power source cannot meet this requirement. And the same time, high temperature makes fire. Both the risk of electrical shock and the risk of burns are very dangerous for children. So I need to try another safe and effective way. I have to control the flowers by driving gears with electrical motors. I tested the motor. I found that the effective is very good. I can use textile thread to replace the metal wear. Connect the textile thread to the motor shaft and control the expansion and the contraction of the flowers by controlling the rotation speed and the time interval of the motor. In my research, the cry of children is usually between 70 decibels and 120 decibels. So I set the threshold of the sound received by the sensor at 80 decibels. When the sound exceeds 80 decibels, the motor will be driven to rotate. The facility the facilitate the To facilitate the observation of the rotation of the motor shaft, I installed a fan on the shaft. Below is a video of the test.
Hello.
There are 2 materials I bought for making flowers, but after testing, I found that the resilience of those 2 materials is very bad. So I bought a new material. Because the new material for making flowers have not been mailed to my residence yet, I haven't tested the final effect yet. I placed the device on the clothes and make a rough prototype. Finally, how to distinguish whether the sound of the same decibel is positive or negative. Technically, I have no good solution. My current idea is to design a power switch that can be turned off when in a family gathering or a happiness environment at home. So that's all of my presentation. Thank you.